Ever wondered how to create a custom mobile application without writing a single line of code? Well, the solution is closer than you think. Enter AppSheet, a true game changer in the realm of app development. AppSheet, a Google Cloud's no-code development platform, is designed to help you build applications without needing to understand complex coding languages. It's like having a full team of developers at your fingertips, minus the headaches and the hefty price tag. So what makes AppSheet stand out from the crowd? For starters, it's all about customization. AppSheet allows you to tailor your app to fit your exact needs. Whether you're looking to automate business processes, manage events, or track inventory, AppSheet has got you covered. One of the key features of AppSheet is its user-friendly interface. Just imagine, you can create an app by simply connecting your data sources such as Google Sheets, Excel, and SQL Server, among others. AppSheet then uses this data to create a rich, interactive application, all without requiring any coding expertise. Not only that, AppSheet takes security seriously. It provides robust security features to ensure your data stays safe and secure. And the best part? It's all done on the cloud, which means you can access your app from anywhere, anytime. But don't just take our word for it. AppSheet's powerful features have been recognized by industry experts, and it's trusted by thousands of businesses worldwide. From small startups to Fortune 500 companies, AppSheet is changing the way we think about app development. And it's not just about creating apps. AppSheet also empowers you to deploy and manage your apps with ease. It provides real-time reporting and analytics, so you can keep track of your app's performance and make informed decisions. Now the power to create, deploy, and manage mobile applications is in your hands. So why wait? Embrace the future of app development with AppSheet. It's time to break free from the constraints of traditional coding and step into the world of no-code app development. Give AppSheet a try today. Experience the power of no-code app development and see how it can transform your business. With AppSheet, creating a custom mobile application is no longer a complex and costly process. It's simple, it's efficient, and it's within your reach. So go ahead, make your move. Unleash your creativity with AppSheet because every great idea deserves a great app.